Welcome aboard Mila and Milalux cruises, your gateway to the breathtaking beauty of Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Vietnam's most iconic destinations. With its towering limestone karsts, emerald waters, and mystical caves, Halong Bay is a vision of natural wonder. Step onto our traditional yet luxurious junk boat, where timeless Vietnamese design meets modern comfort. Spacious cabins with balconies, panoramic windows, and elegant details ensure every moment of your stay feels special. On board, enjoy a fine dining restaurant, open sundeck for sunset views, and a relaxing spa, all designed to make your journey unforgettable. Over 2 magical days, you'll sail through the bay's most stunning sights. Day 1 begins as we cruise past iconic landmarks, the incense burner, Fighting Cock Islet, before stopping at a pearl farm for a close-up look at this unique craft. Glide through tranquil waters by kayak, then step into the magnificent Sung Sot Cave, the largest in Halong Bay, with formations millions of years in the making. Back on board, join our Vietnamese cooking class, where our chef will guide you in making traditional spring rolls and other local favorites, a fun and delicious way to connect with Vietnamese culture. As evening falls, savor a delicious dinner on board while the bay glows under the setting sun. Later, unwind at the bar, try squid fishing, or simply stargaze from the sundeck. Day 2 starts with Tai Chi at sunrise, followed by coffee, tea, and breakfast. Then, we visit Titov Island, swim in its clear waters, or hike to the top for a panoramic view that will take your breath away. Enjoy brunch as we slowly sail back, letting the beauty of Halong Bay linger in your memory. Whether you're paddling through hidden lagoons, relaxing in your private cabin, or watching the horizon turn gold at sunset, a journey with Mila and Milalux cruises is more than a trip. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Plan your Halong Bay escape today and let the magic begin.